Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. This is video number 10, guys, which means I'm doing the last question from the Eastern Cape examination, which was written in the year 2023. It's mathematics paper 1 for grade 11s. Okay, let's just get right into it, guys. A bag contains X balls, of which 5 are red and the rest are green. So this thing simply means that the sample space has X number of balls, and the number of red balls are red, and the number of green balls, that means we'll have X minus 5. Okay, one ball is taken at a time out of the bag randomly, and it is not replaced. A second ball is then taken off the bag. The probability of picking both green balls is 3 over 11. The probability of picking green and green, you'll get 3 over 11. Yeah? We must show that the probability of picking both green balls can be represented by that equation. Okay, the equation simply says 4x squared minus 59 plus 165 is equal to 0. Okay, let's use a bigger space, guys. We are told that the number of balls in the sample, we have X, and the number of red balls, there are 5. The number of green balls, we have, that means we'll have X minus 5, right? The probability of getting 2 green balls, it's 3 over 11. Okay, let's show this thing on a tree diagram, guys, for it to make sense. Now, okay, in a bag you can take a red ball or a green ball together, and the probability of you selecting a red ball is simply 5 all over X. The probability of you selecting a green ball, you'll simply have X minus 5 divided by X. Together, and then for the second pick, you can still choose a red ball and a green ball, or a green ball. No? However, now the sample space has changed, because after you select a ball, you do not take it back. You just place it outside and then go for the other ball. Are you together? So it simply means that the sample space will be short of one ball. So we'll just divide by X minus 1, because the number of balls in the sample space have decreased. Okay, if we selected a red ball first, that means we are only left with 4 balls to choose from. Are you together? But if we selected the red ball first, it simply means that the number of green balls are still the same. So we will still have X minus 5 over here. Are we together? But if we started by selecting or rather a green ball, it simply means that we still have 5 red balls inside the bag. Are we together? However, the number of green balls have decreased by 1. So we'll simply say it will be X minus 6. Are you together? And then we are told that the probability that both of the balls are green is equal to 3 over 5, right? Okay, let me write the outcomes. The outcomes that we have red and red, then we have red and green, then we have green and red, and then we'll have green and green. So this tree over there, or the branch over there, tells me about the probability of picking 2 green balls. Are you together? I know that the probability of me picking 2 green balls will be equal to X minus 5 all over X multiplied by x minus 6 all over x minus 1. Are you together? However, I was told that the probability of getting 2 green balls is 3 over 11. So I'm supposed to work here, né? If I'm multiplying two things, guys, and I have fractions, please note that the numerators will multiply one another and the denominators will multiply one another. So I'll have x and x minus 1 at the denominator. All I need to do here is to just cross multiply. I'll simply have 3 multiplied by x times x minus 1 is equal to 11 multiplied by the two brackets. Okay, then the only thing I need to do now is to remove the brackets. Né? On the left hand side, I will have 3x squared minus 3x. On the right hand side, I will have 11. I'll have x squared minus 11x plus 30. This will give me 3x squared minus 3x is equal to 11x squared minus 11 times 11, isn't it 121? It is negative 121x, and then 11 plus times 30. 11 times 30 is 330. And now I just need to take everything to be on one side. Né? I would have 11x squared minus 121x plus 330 is equal to 0. The term that I'll move from the left hand side to the right hand side, I will write them in green. So this will give me negative 3x squared. They will change sign whenever they jump equal sign, plus 3x over there. So now I'll simply have 8x squared minus 118x plus 330. I can divide everything by 2 here. This will give me 4x squared minus how much? Is this how we write 118? 118 divided by 2. This will give me 59x plus 330 divided by 2. This will give me 165 is equal to 0. So now I've proven that for the probability of 2 green balls, it can be represented by that equation, because that's what I was asked there. Are you together? Yeah, the first thing, guys, I drew my tree diagram, and then I found my possible outcomes, and then I know that the probability of getting 2 green balls, I'll get it by multiplying this guy and this one. Are you together? But I was given the numerical value, which was 3 over 11, and then from this point, guys, it was just pure algebra. Actually, from this point going downwards, it's just pure algebra. If you know how to get here, you understand probability. If you struggle to go down, your problem should be algebra. But it's fine, guys. You still have time. Just equip yourself. Whew. Yeah, maybe you are tired like me, guys. Just stay tuned, guys, and wait for more videos. Thank you very much.